Welcome back. And if you're new, thank you for stopping by Comfort and Cooking. We're about to take these wings to another level. We're going to be saucing, tossing, garnishing, and plating these game day wings. Now, this is a hot wing recipe that's going to stand out from the rest, and I'm about to let you know why. We're going to start off with 2.5 pounds of wings. We have drums and we have flats. If you're cooking more than 2.5 pounds of wings, then double up on this recipe or increase the ingredients as needed. Now, before you start with your chicken, make sure that you wash your chicken and dab it dry with a paper towel. Now, we're going to sit these wings to the side because I want to go ahead and get into the seasoning. Now, I know this looks like a lot, but if you're not sneezing, you're not seasoning. Now, the full ingredient list will be in the description box down below. So, we're going to go with this regular Ziploc bag because I know that everyone has one in their kitchen. Now, very few people have the restaurant style seasoning shakers. Now, if you have one, that's even better. But if not, we're just going to go with this Ziploc bag. So now we're going to take all of our seasonings and we're going to dump and go. Now that we got the seasoning in our Ziploc bag, we're going to go ahead and we're going to shake this. Make sure that it's shooken up real good, making sure that everything is evenly distributed. Now, once we get our seasonings mixed up in our bag and we shooken that up, we're going to sit this to the side and then we're going to bring our already washed and cleaned chicken back in. Now, the seasoning in the Ziploc bag is coming along great. We're going to continue on shaking this so we can get an even coverage. Now, this is the way it's supposed to look. Beautiful. If anything fell out of the bag, waste not, want not, just brush it in your hand and just put the rest of it inside of the bag. Now, we're going to set this to the side. Now, we're going to get our bowl ready to mix our wings. And then we're going to get our glass bowl ready to make our sauce. Now, before we do that, I want to show you our Fire Char W sauce from Bear & Burton's. Not saying that the Fire Char wouldn't work for this recipe here, but we're going to use the regular. But we have 3 choices of hot sauce. We have our Frank's Red hot sauce, our Louisiana hot sauce, and our Texas Pete. Now, I know I got your attention now, and I know my comment box is going to blow up. I want to know what hot sauce serves you better when you make your hot wing. Let me know in the comment box below. I would love to hear from you. With this recipe, we're going to go with Frank's Red hot sauce. Now, we're going to take our wings and we're going to put them inside of our Ziploc bag. I have an inexpensive stand that I use, which works great. We're going to take our already washed wings and we're going to put them inside of the Ziploc bag. If you're finding any value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. This recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. We're going to move our glass dish out of the way so we can go ahead and pour 3/4 of the bottle of W sauce inside of the bag. Once we pour it in the bag, we're going to zip it closed. We're going to shake it around and make sure we get to every nook and every cranny of the wings. Make sure that it's evenly distributed for flavor. Once you have, we're going to partially unzip the bag. And we're going to press it down and try to get as much air out as we can. Now, we're going to take this bag. We're going to put it in the refrigerator. We're going to set it sit for about 4 to 6 hours or 24 hours. Now, I already have a pre-made bag that's already out of the refrigerator. And it's sitting out right now getting room temperature. Now, with that being said, we're going to get into our sauce. Now, we're going to pour 2 cups of the Frank's Red hot sauce. Now, we already have our oven preheated at 400 degrees. Come on, people. This recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Now, we're going to pour up 2 cups of Frank's Red hot sauce. Once we pour the 2 cups, now we're going to go in with our melted butter. We have red pepper flakes, and that's going to be optional. If you don't want to use it, you don't have to. And we have 3 cloves of fresh garlic. I know you're going to ask me now or in a video later, do I use fresh ingredients all the time? I use fresh ingredients whenever that the opportunity shows itself. But look, Use what you have in your kitchen. This is what this channel is all about. Taking comfort and cooking in your own kitchen. So let's use what you have. I have a pro tip for you. If you're worried about dulling your blade, or you're worried about scratching up your garlic press, just turn your knife on the back side and just scrape it off. It works just as good. So that's a pro tip. We have red pepper flakes, and we have 3 cloves of fresh garlic, and we have it inside of the sauce. We're going to continue on mixing this up. This is coming along great, and the smell is amazing. I wish you could smell this right now. So now that we're done mixing, we're going to go in with a generous amount of Mike's hot honey, probably about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Now the reason for this is the sweetness, taste, but also so this sauce will stick to the wing. Come on, people, this recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Beautiful. If you find any value out of this video, please like, share, and subscribe. Check me out on Instagram, Facebook, and also TikTok, and help me get the word out about this channel called Comfort and Cooking. But wait, there's more. We're going to chop up probably about 4 to 5 sprigs of fresh cilantro. Now, we're not going to use all of this. We're only going to put in a portion of this in the sauce. But stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to let you know what I'm going to do with the leftovers of the cilantro. Now we're going to mix this up some more. This is really taking this sauce to another level. If you find any value from this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and help me get the word out about this channel called Comfort and Cooking. This is coming along great. This smells amazing. I wish you could smell this right now. Look at that. The cilantro is just coming through. We're going to set this sauce to the side, and we're going to bring in our wings that we have already sat out. It's now room temperature. I've already shooken these wings up in the seasoning. If you find any value out of this channel, please like, share, and subscribe. We're going to start placing them on the baking sheet that's already been sprayed with Pam. Once you place them out one by one, make sure it has space in between so the heat is evenly distributed to each wing so it's nice and golden and brown. You ought to smell these wings, and we haven't even cooked them yet. It smells amazing. This looks beautiful. Now the cooking times will vary because everybody's oven is not the same. So we're going to place our wings inside of our already preheated oven at 400 degrees. And we're going to bake our wings 35 to 40 minutes. And halfway through, we're going to turn them over and allow for it to cook the rest of the way. So our wings come out a golden brown. Come on, people, this recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Make sure, because of different wing sizes, that your internal temperature is 165 degrees. Look how golden brown these wings have come out. These wings have come out amazing. Our drumlets, our flats. I can't even wait no more. Let's get the sauce on these wings and get the tossing. Now you just want to toss these and just maneuver it around where you can evenly sauce the wings. And the smell off of these wings. Now we're finna go ahead and plate these wings. We have our side of ranch. Let me know in the comment box below, what dipping sauce do you use for your hot wing? Now another pro tip, if you want to put your wings back in the oven for like 7 to 10 minutes after they're sauced on broil, then do so. And this right here will actually caramelize the sauce onto the wing. You will not regret it. These wings have come out looking beautiful. Come on, people, this recipe is so easy. Put your cape on and get in the kitchen and start cooking. Let me know the hot wings that you just made for game day. I would love to hear your comments in the description box below. Remember what I told you about that leftover cilantro that we didn't want to use it all? This is what we're going to use it for. We're going to garnish the hot wings with the leftover cilantro. We're going to take this up another level. Check me out on Instagram, TikTok, and also Facebook. Beautiful. I can't wait. Now I'm finna go in on this wing. Oh my God. This right here is a home run. Now this is a game day wing recipe for any sport, at any time, at any occasion. Look here, I don't know what they're doing on the internet, but I know what we're doing in this kitchen right here in Comfort and Cooking. And I hope you can say the same in yours. This is a hot wing recipe that's going to stand out from all the rest.